Hey, I'm Tabitha Rabbits. Today I want to talk to you about starting your own YouTube channel. Now, I started my YouTube channel last year and it's something I was thinking about doing for years, but I was just way too scared to start a channel. It's like, oh my gosh, what are people going to think? They're going to wonder what the hell is Tabitha doing? Why is she posting videos on the internet? And I actually just watched a lot of videos about people talking about how to start a YouTube channel. And eventually I got the courage to start one. And here's what happened. I filmed a video on my phone at the airport. I was going to do a travel with me to London video or some kind of vlog. And I posted it on YouTube. And then I freaked out and I deleted the video. And then I didn't post another one for about a year. Yeah. Was it a year? It was about maybe almost a year, basically. Yeah. So, yeah. If you want to start a YouTube channel, just start. I know it's going to be very scary, really terrifying, but if it's really what you want to do, then you have to not really worry about what people are going to say about you. If that's what you want for some reason, do it. Start posting a video. Do the first one. Some people are scared to post about their video on social media. They'll probably post a YouTube video and then not share it on Facebook, not share it on Instagram, and that's kind of okay. But let me tell you something. They're going to find out. Your family and friends are going to find a YouTube video. I know it's probably like scary, like why are you telling me they're going to find out about my YouTube video? Tell them. They will watch, or maybe they won't. But don't hide it, really. If you're going to start a YouTube channel, the best advice I can give to you is just to take your phone and do a short YouTube video. Maybe just introducing yourself, or the best thing to do is to do something like how to do this thing. If you're good at something, then you can do a YouTube video. Then you can do a YouTube video about that thing, like saying, okay, well, this is how to iron your shirt